concrete arch gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River on the border between the U.S. states of Nevada and Arizona. It was constructed between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression and was dedicated on September 30th, 1935 by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Its construction was the result of a massive effort involving thousands of workers and cost over 100 lives. It was referred to as the Hoover Dam after President Herbert Hoover in bills passed by Congress during its construction. It was named the Boulder Dam by the Roosevelt administration. The Hoover Dam name was restored by Congress in 1947. The Hoover Dam impounds Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States by volume when full. The dam is located near Boulder City, Nevada. The municipality originated constructed for workers on the construction project about 30 miles southeast of Las Vegas, Nevada. The dam's generators provide power for the public and private utilities for Nevada, Arizona, and California. Hoover Dam is a major tourist attraction with 7 million tourists a year. It is heavily traveled. The U.S. Route 93 ran along by the dam's crest until October 2010, when the Hoover Dam bypass opened. So we're out here at the Hoover Dam. We have to walk up a bunch of steps to get to the actual dam part. There's no pets or anything allowed out here, but I see somebody still have their dogs. People are so entitled and so annoying. The Hoover Dam was recognized as a National Historic Civil Engineering Landmark in 1984. It was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1981 and was designated a National Historic Landmark in 1985, cited for its engineering innovations. The Colorado River had experienced natural flooding before the construction of the Hoover Dam. The dam eliminated natural flooding, threatening many species adapting to the flood, including both plants and animals. The construction of the dam devastated populations of native fish in the river downstream from the dam. 4 species of fish native to the Colorado River, the bony-tailed chub, Colorado pigminnow, humpback chub, and razorback sucker, are all listed as endangered. walking across the Matt O'Galligan, I think, and the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. As you know, Pat Tillman, well, you probably don't, he was a football player who was also in the Army. He ended up getting killed when he went over to serve his duty in war. He retired his jersey in the NFL and stuff like that. So, yeah. So I'm out here on the Hoover Dam bridge. Pretty loud out here with the cars speeding through the street. I just got me some photos and some video of the actual dam. It looks really nice. I'm heading back to the bus right now. We have to be back at 9:50 or 9:55, something like that, because we have to head to the Grand Canyon. And I'm so excited to visit the Grand Canyon. This looks so pretty. I wish I could just reach out and touch it. I saw a guy up here trying to walk up the damn mountains. I'm like, what are you doing? Like, these people just disobey rules. The entitlement is like off the charts. Like, what's wrong with these people? But yeah, the sun is kind of really bright out here. It's like dry heat, it's no humidity, so my face isn't sweating. Yeah, so I see you guys when I get back on the bus, hopefully. Probably when we make it back to the Grand Canyon. As I told you, it's loud out here. So, yeah.